Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This retails for $25 a month, and it comes in a box like this, and then you get a bag inside, which is why it's called Glam Bag. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to tell you right now, this feels super light, so that's fun. Okay, so popping this open, it looks like that inside. There is a card on top here. What is this? It says, "Get that glow. A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark. New ideas. Blah, blah, blah. May 2020. To learn more about your products, head to Ipsy.com." So they don't even tell you like products in here. Why are brands like BoxyCharm didn't do one this month? Ipsy didn't do one. Like, why are brands not including information about the products anymore? It's kind of annoying me. I'm really negative today, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let's get into the actual products. First, let's talk about the bag. The bag is super cute. I really like this color story. It's got like a blue to yellow gradient effect. Oh, so cute. It's got a tassel zipper, which is adorbs. I love tassels. And then the inside, it's got like this yellow with like silver confetti, and it says Ipsy. So I really like this bag. It's super cute. That's a win. Next, let's go for this thing because this looks the least exciting. Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum, pH balance, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding? What is feeding? Protecting and nourishing. It is PETA certified, cruelty free, skin loving ingredients made fresh in Amsterdam. That's cool. What do you do? Like, what does it do? It's just a serum, I guess. It's supposed to do all those things. Feeding though, what does that mean? Do I want my face fed? Oh, there's a seal. Smart. Can't open it. I can't get over that. Has anybody ever heard that term used for skincare? Feeding. I wonder if that's just like, what language do they speak in Amsterdam? I don't know. I am geographically challenged. And yeah, but I don't know what language they speak there, but maybe it's just like a bad translation from their language to ours. I don't know. Or to mine. Alright, let's check on it. Okay, so let's just squeeze some of this out here. It's like a milky white consistency. Ooh, smells very floral. Very floral. I do not like the way that smells, but I do like the way it feels. That feels very soft. If I can get past, ooh, it's a little tacky, so it might be good under makeup. If I can get past that smell, then I'm down for that. I'm still freaked out by the word feeding. Next thing in here is this guy by Wander Beauty. What is it? Clear. Oh, I can't read that little writing, and that sticker is like about to pop off. Like, really? Can you tell? Okay. It's clear. So like what? A brow gel probably? Yeah. Ooh, I like that wand. It looks like their mascara wand. It smells very alcohol-y. But I'm always down for a new clear mascara, so that's cool. I'm glad it's not tinted. I don't like tinted ones. Okay, the next three products in here I'm stoked about. So this one is exciting. This is by Tarte. This is the Tartiste lip paint in the shade Home Slice. I like the name. This is really pretty packaging. The like splatter paint I'm down for. It's very like 2007 junior high days for me. Cute shade. Kind of similar to what I'm wearing right now. Smells good. And I have tried this formula, so I do know I like it. Yeah, it's very similar to what I'm wearing right now, so I like that. Okay. The next thing in here is by Galactic. That's Blinding You. There you go. I don't think I've ever tried anything by Galactic. Maybe an eyeliner. Maybe an eyeliner. But I don't remember. Don't remember how I felt about it, so I don't know if I tried it or not. Here is the packaging. Super cute. I like the little like faux chandelier. I don't even know what this is. Skin Glow Sunset. Is this highlight? Highlight and blood. Ooh, is it cream? Ooh, it's cream. Ooh, it's really creamy. Pretty though. Yeah, I guess those are just like highlights, but they're, ugh. I'm less excited about this now that I realize it's cream. I will try it, but it kind of feels like oil. Like just like grease. Okay. And the last thing in here is the product that I chose this month, because they got it right, is by Colored Rain Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. This is like the more purpley one, and it is vegan and cruelty free, paraben free, and gluten free. So all of the good frees. Packaging is very minimalistic. It's pretty though. And okay, there was a little plastic sheet in here and it just fell out of this crack, so that's interesting. Can't open it. There we go. Here are the shades. It's just like very purpley berry tones, which I love. So we'll swatch a couple of those. They feel nice. I've gotten a lot of Colored Rain stuff. Ooh, that matte felt nice. I've gotten a lot of Colored Rain stuff in subscriptions, mainly Ipsy, but I never really like am into them just because it's always like single eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Single eyeshadows, and I'm not a single eyeshadow person. Those are gorgeous though. I'm down for this. Okay. Pretty. Let me use my little makeup wipe that I have out here. Yeah, I'm definitely down for that eyeshadow palette. So let's do our quick little recap here after I get all of this makeup off of my hand. There we go. Whatever, it's close enough. Okay. The eyeshadow palette I am obviously down for because I picked it and I've been wanting to actually try Colored Rain. So that's fun time. The clear brow gel I'm down for. Like, I'm not like, oh my god, yes, the clear brow gel, but like clear brow gel is always great. I don't like tinted brow gels very much, so the Galactic thing I'm on the fence about. I was super excited about it until I realized it was cream. Now I'm meh about it. The lip paint I am definitely down for. I really like that formula. And this thing, even though I'm still kind of creeped out by it, I'm okay with. So that was a pretty good box. I'm happy with it. Definitely a improvement from yesterday's box. But yeah, that's everything I have to say today for you guys. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.